going to show you how to change refresh rate in Windows 10. Go to Start icon, click on Settings, then click on System. In Display, scroll down and click on Display Adapters Properties. On this window, select Monitor, expand it and select 60 Hz and uncheck this option. Then click on Apply and then OK. Close this window, go to search bar and type CMD, right click here and run as administrator. Then type this command gp update, then hit enter. Then type gp update /force and hit enter. Then type gp update /target :computer and hit enter. Then type gp update /target :computer /force and hit enter. Now type gp update /target :user and hit enter. Then type gp update /target :user /force and hit enter. And finally type exit to close the command prompt. Your problem will be solved. You're good to go.